Music. Oh, it's Mommy. Mommy's back. I told you she'd be back. I told you she'd be back. Mommy never dies. Oh. Okay, sorry. You're gonna hate me. You're gonna hate me for pausing. I just wanted to point out that that frame was super, super sick. Ladies and gentlemen of the chat, I believe Michael Jackson has just entered the realm. I heard the hee-hee. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this song. I really love this song. Chat. Okay, I know you're gonna hate me for pausing, but this frame, chat. Okay, come on. Dude, chat, like seriously, kill me for pausing. I don't care. But is that not like the most beautiful frame ever? It's gotten so much more cinematic. This episode, compared to the last parts, part 1 and part 2, so much more cinematic, and I'm really loving it. Genuinely. Oh my god! 2 mommies! Inadequate goofballs. Chat, whose arm? Was that the arm of the person that I think that was? Oh my god, is he about to come in? Chat, I'm going to get another noise complaint in this hotel because I'm about to scream my balls off. Oh my god, he's... Your Titan wouldn't want you to die meaninglessly. Oh my god. Guys, can you believe TV, man? Oh my god, he's back! Chat, okay, sorry, I'm pausing again. I know you're gonna be so mad at me, but the music choice? Seriously? Part 1 and part 2 of 77? 100%, this is the best one so far, and I'm not even saying that to glaze. The music on this one is so incredibly well done. You can call me a glazer, I don't care. This music is fucking beautiful. Is fucking beautiful. What the fuck? Skibidi toilet's not for kids anymore, chat. Skibidi toilet is PG-13 now.